While computers and machines now perform many kinds of work, the ability to accomplish a job using your own hands and strength has a value and reward all its own. Laboring with your hands takes coordination and stamina, but it also takes customer service skills and the ability to follow through on instructions. Several jobs require these qualities. Most hand laborers and freight, stock, and material movers work as pickers in warehouses, retrieving items from storage to be loaded and shipped. They may need to pack and wrap items or load and unload them from a truck. Packers and packagers pack groceries for customers or pack shipping materials for transport. They often label packages and keep records of what they've packed. Vehicle and equipment cleaners wash vehicles and storage tanks and industrial machinery. Most clean cars for an auto dealership, car rental agency, or car wash. Machine feeders work in manufacturing or warehouses. They insert materials into equipment, while off-bearers remove materials from equipment after processing. Refuse and recyclable material collectors pick up garbage and recyclables from homes and businesses to transport to a landfill or recycling center. Most work either in waste collection or for local government. Most hand laborers and material movers work full-time, though part-time hours are not uncommon. Warehouse and shipping positions may require overnight shifts. It's typical for employers to require that workers have the ability to lift a certain weight to qualify for the job, but there are no formal education requirements. Jobs often include repetitive movement and heavy lifting.